Audio Jungle.
Sige Global Janaba Mwanita 20 Government of the Zeliangrong United Front Dilung Council Headquarter Tigwang Mitong Press Statement Asay 7 September 2025 may wala makakawam na padaw niya. While welcoming the August visit of Honorable Prime Minister of India on 13-14 September 2025 in Northeast states including Manipur, Zeliangrong United Front warmly welcome our internationally renowned and visionary leader Sri Narendra Modi ji. His historic visit will address and give healing touch to all the regional political aspirations of the people of northeastern India that includes the long-drawn political aspirations of Zeliangrong people. The Zeliangrong, representing the rights and interests of the Zeliangrong people, denounced the imposition of the indefinite economic blockade in Naga areas by the United Naga Council (UNC) on all the national highways including railways and ban on the national and international projects in Naga areas with effect from the midnight of 8 September 2025. Protests against the construction of border fencing and the discontinuation of FMR free movement regime. The Cabinet Committee on Security Government of India gave approval on 18 September 2024 to fence 1,643 kilometers along the Indo-Myanmar border and to scrap the FMR in order to take control cross-border terrorism, insurgency, arms smuggling, and human trafficking, etc. In the northeast state of India and the Manipur State Cabinet have taken a decision. The same also passed in the Manipur Legislative Assembly (MLA) with the support of all the Naga ministers and MLAs have endorsed in one voice. If Naga interest and sentiment is hurt, UNC should have protested immediately at a time. United Naga Council (UNC) is an apex social body of Manipur Naga which have been working under the whimsical influence of National Socialist Councils of Nagaland (IM) for the last many years with ulterior motive. The UNC have been pursuing the following issue, deceiving the people with divisive policies and longing the people into conflict and mistrust in the region with the following: 1. Rollback of newly created district. 2. Demand for alternative arrangement for Naga of Manipur. 3. Boycott of 3rd Autonomous District Council ADC Bill Manipur. And 5th, boycott of Indian elections, no house tax campaign, surrender of red blanket issue by the government of Manipur, and the last, transfer of Naga student from Board of Secondary Education Manipur (BOSEM) to Nagaland Board of Schools Education, and others. Therefore, Zeliangrong United Front strongly appeals to the United Naga Council and its constituent unit not to create any form of agitation in Zeliangrong areas even in near future. The United Naga Council proposed indefinite economic blockade is uncalled for, and anyone who violates this directive, ZUF shall not held responsible for any dire consequences. At the same time, Zeliangrong people are informed not to extend any help and cooperation towards the proposed economic blockade imposed by United Naga Council along the National Highway 37 and Trans-Asian Railway from Jiribam to Infal. Mituang press statement hai Lois Gang may Secretary Information and Publicity Zeliangrong United Front Roy Tigwang mitong panputhe.